contended that one of the qualifications of a candidate for the presidential election is that they ought to be registered as a voter. And the law is that if you are not ordinarily resident in Zimbabwe for at least 18 months, then you are deemed to have ceased to be a registered voter. And so Mr. Kasukuwere ceased by operation of law to be a registered voter and consequently ceased to be qualified to run or to occupy the office of the President of the Republic. And so the court has declared that the acceptance of his nomination papers by the nomination court sitting at Harare was invalid, and that consequently he cannot run for the office of the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Further, he has been barred or interdicted from holding himself out as a candidate in this election, whether physically or by any form of media whatsoever. So yes, the law has been vindicated.